Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, let's open your books. As you all know that we are at exercise 2.2 and we are doing question number 1 and we have done part number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of this exercise. So today we will start from 5th part of this exercise. So kindly open your notebooks, draw margin lines, maintain your page and write down the date and homework etc. Now write on the 5th part, next part of this question, that is 4a cube b power 0, 25a power minus 5 and whole power is minus 2. So let's start its solution. Write on the question again and check that 4 is the square of 2. You will write 2 square into a cube b power 0 and 25 is a square of 5. So 5 5s are 25. We will write 5 square into a power minus 5. Whole power is minus 2. Now you will write 2 square multiply this minus 2 separately. A cube multiply minus 2, b power 0 multiply minus 2, 5 power 2 multiply minus 2. We will multiply the whole power one by one with all elements, either that is digits or either that is numeric or non-numeric. So after that, in next step we will multiply the powers. 2 to the 4 we get minus 4 here, multiply 3 to the 6 we get power of a minus 6 and b will be 0 because when we will multiply any number with 0 we always get 0. 2 to the 4 we get the power of 5 minus 4. We will put the negative sign here because there is negative 2. Minus 5 and minus 2, 5 to the 10 we get 10 and 10 will be positive because if there are two signs of subtraction, when we multiply both signs and we get always positive. This rule is for multiplication, not for addition or subtraction. So now in next step we know that the power of 5 is negative and it will be positive when it will become the numerator of this step, and the power of 2 is minus 4 and it is numerator here. When it will become denominator it will be positive. So 5 will be positive when it becomes numerator and power of 2 will be positive when it becomes denominator. So we will exchange these two values. We put 5 as numerator and its power will be positive, and then we will put 2 as a denominator here and the power of 2 will be positive here. So power of a is minus 6 and this is plus 10. It will be negative when it becomes numerator of the step, and b power 0 as it is. Minus minus always plus, you know, and we will put the negative sign here. 10 plus 6 you get 16. So 5 power 4 and b power 0. A is minus 16. We will write it as denominator and it will become positive. 5 power 4 divided by 2 power 4 and a power 16. If any element have power 0, then it means that that element is equals to 1. We will put 1 instead of b here, as I have described here, you can see. So now move to next question. Question number 2. Show that x power a divided by x power b whole power a plus b into x power b x power c whole power b plus c into x power c x power a into whole power c plus a is equals to 1. We will prove it here. So let's take left hand side, write down the question. X power a, as you know that our numerator and denominator both are same, both bases are same, so we will write it as a numerator x power a, and here x base is also x, so we will write it x minus b, a minus b. We will put b as a negative because it was denominator here, and when it becomes numerator it becomes change its sign, so it will become negative. A minus b into a plus b will be as it is, same like here x power b minus c, we will write it as, and into b plus c as it is. X power c minus a into c plus a will be as it is. So we will multiply these two values. Here we will apply the formula of a minus b into a plus b. We get a square minus b square. B minus c, b plus c, we get b square minus c square. C minus c and c into c plus a, we get c square minus a square. So we will write it as that x. Now we will write these all powers on one base. X is equals to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. All values are at the top of x. And now solve the power. These values will be cancelled with each other. As you know that this is plus a square and this is minus a square. Both will be cancelled. Minus b square plus b square, both will be cancelled. Plus c square minus c square will be cancelled. So at the top we get 0 power. We get nothing. So x power 0 we get 1. This is proved.